Sachin Pilot released in Ghaziabad. Remember, he was detained just a while back on his way to Bhatta Parsol. Now, news coming in that he has been released. Remember, our correspondent Vasu, who has been reporting from the location, was telling us about him going back to Delhi after his release.
(147, 148, 149, 153, 188, 302, 307, 395, 332, 34, 353, 436, 412. These 14 charges have been put on these people. उसमें से एक आदमी 70 साल का है. He was crying with tears, saying that they don't even know what charges have been put against them. Murder, attempt to murder, and a whole host of other charges of the CRPC have been put on these people. And what we wanted to do was, because the people who are detained in prison, they were worried about the well-being of the family and their next of kith and kin and children, etc. And they were not able to express their concerns to the officials because of fear of getting maltreated. So they told us that they worry about them. I said, don't worry, we will go and make sure that they are well looked after. Whatever help they need, food, clothing, sense of security, we'll try and provide that. We wanted to go to those villages, not just Bhatta and Parsol, but the surrounding villages where also the notices have been given for acquiring land. The police, it's never happened before. The Uttar Pradesh police themselves blocked a national highway for over an hour. Then, without giving any reason, detained us, arrested us, and brought us here to the police line, saying that we were going to break some law and order. In fact, it is the police and the bureaucracy which is blocking the highway, not allowing us to go. We had not planned meetings, no speeches, no other agenda except for to share the sorrow and grief of the people who have lost their lives, who have been injured. Wanted to sit with them, just give them condolences and give them some sense of comfort. We were not allowed to enter the district, not allowed to enter the village, but the BSP, MPs and MLAs are allowed freely to move around. We are allowed not even to enter the district. I think it's very unfortunate that when everybody wants to go and make sure things are what they have been claimed to, they're saying things are normal, everything is coming back to normal. The males in the 2 or 3 villages are still missing. I was telling you earlier about this girl, a lady called Bala, daughter of Shri Atar Singh, aged 35, from Parsol village. She's missing from 7th of May, that night itself. These people who were in the prison have told me that some eyewitnesses have said that she's perhaps been killed in police firing, and then the body was thrown in the small river and in the canal and tried to dispose of the body. Now these are all claims that have to be verified. These are people who belong to the same villages. The National Commission on Women has asked for a detailed probe. We have asked for a judicial probe. But irrespective of that, I think they can't curtail, they can't stop us and arrest us and not allow us to even go and meet those people who are grieved, who are in pain, who have lost everything. They've burned their homes, they've burned their kitchens, they've burned their food grains. I think it's unacceptable for a police and for a government to act in such a dictatorial fashion. I condemn it, and I want to make sure that the UP government understands that we will fight for the rights of the people. We are not going to take this lying down, and we will make sure that justice is done.